The Canadian government has confirmed reports that the Boeing F, A-18 F Super Hornet Block III has been knocked out of its future fighter capability project that seeks to find a replacement for the existing CF-18 Hornet fleet. The Royal Canadian Air Force, RCAF, hopes to eventually receive a total of 88 fighters, with deliveries beginning as early as 2025. The RCAF presently has some 75 CF-18A B+ jets and is planning to add 18 former Royal Australian Air Force RAAF F A-18A B Hornets to that fleet in the near term. There is no official explanation as yet as to why the Super Hornet has disappeared from the running. Although the Canadian government's statement went on to explain that the proposals were rigorously assessed on elements of capability, cost, and economic benefits, the evaluation also included an assessment of economic impact. Earlier this month, Boeing hosted a media event that further made the financial case for the Super Hornet for Canada. This included a comparison of cost per flight hour for the Super Hornet and the rival F-35A. According to Boeing, the figure for the Super Hornet was approximately $18,000 for fiscal year 2020, compared to $33,600 for the F-35A. Whatever the exact reason or reasons for the Canadian government decision, Boeing's removal from FFCP comes as a surprise. There had also been plans to purchase a smaller number of Super Hornets as interim fighter jets, which collapsed due to a tangential trade dispute between Boeing and the Canadian government. Canada subsequently moved to buy a batch of former Royal Australian Air Force F A-18A B Hornets to supplement its existing CF-18s, a decision that has run into its own issues and drawn fierce criticism. If all goes to plan, Ottawa will now spend the coming weeks further assessing the two remaining bids, which could involve proceeding to final negotiations with the top-ranked bidder or entering into a competitive dialogue, whereby the two remaining bidders would be provided with an opportunity to improve their proposals. That should be followed by a contract award sometime next year.